So week 44, I just finished week 44, and I haven't watched my week 43 video, so I have no idea what's going on and what I promised myself in that week 43 video. But week 44 has taken a like a huge turn. I said it in the week 43 video, I think, that I'm moving back to London, and here I am in London. And yeah, it's been a really short and a long week. So at the beginning of the week, it was just traveling. My flight was on the 24th. When was that? Tuesday. That 24th, 1 a.m. So basically that journey started from the 23rd, nighttime. And I arrived in London at 3 p.m. London time, UK time, in the 24th. And ever since then, like, obviously we didn't have the house and stuff like that, so we had to stay at a friend's house for 5 days. We literally came to this house. Right now it's a new week. It's the 2nd of March. It's the start of week 45. I'll put the thing here when the week 44 started and finished. And yeah, so like yesterday was a Sunday of week 44, and yesterday morning I moved in to this house, to this rented house. And yeah, like I got my bed set up. I haven't got a table. I'm just like, this is on a box. My laptop and my phone, the camera is on a box, and I'm working like this. So yeah, this whole week was like that, just traveling and traveling. So when I came to London on the 24th, basically like I had no idea what was going on. I was lost. I didn't have anything planned. Just like how the fasting month started. Like the fasting month started suddenly. I wasn't prepared for it. And same thing with coming to the UK. It's like suddenly coming to the UK without any plan or something like that. So I landed in the UK, and in the friend's house, obviously I can't follow the routine strictly. I can't work strictly and stuff like that. We had this little room, me, my mother, my little brother. We had to like share a room, and yeah, I couldn't really like talk to my clients or something like that in the call. So that was kind of interesting. Me without a room. Now I have my own room. Everything's alright, but like those ever since the 24th until Saturday, the nighttime, Sunday morning, I was at my friend's house, my mom's friend's house, and we were staying at their house, and I couldn't really do that. But even though while we were at their friend's house, at my mom's friend's house, I still managed to even work out a little bit and squeeze in a little bit of work. So yeah, I'm glad that I didn't go fully like backwards. And my brain was kind of like for the whole 5 days, ever since Tuesday to yesterday morning, Sunday morning, my brain was like this in a numb state, just like week 27 or week around the week 30s or something like that. There was a period of time when what do you call it? I was so numb. Yeah, it was like that. It was like extra numb when I was back in the UK. I don't know what I was feeling and stuff like that. Like I had no strategic brain. I was just spiraling and stuff like that. Uh, committing to loss because I was stacking up stress like that. And yeah, that was really bad. But right now it's a Sunday. I'm still recovering from it. I'm not fully in control. I am in control, but like I'm not fully in the strategic planning brain, if that makes sense. I am still like settling down and stuff like that. This whole week 45 is just going to be settling down. It's not going to be like it's going to be better than week 44, but I'm going to have to do the action. No, so it's going to be better than week 44, but week 45 is mostly just settling down. I'm not like fully settled down yet. I have to do I'm 17 right now. I have to deal with the college headache. and stuff like that. And yeah, I don't have time for college, so I need to do something about it. And a lot of things. And plus, on top of that, is the fasting month. So that's like, yeah, week 45 is going to be an interesting one. I'm excited to finish this week, and let's see what's going to happen at the end of the week, throughout this week 45. So, yeah, that was week 44. Week 44 was just traveling, settling down, moving to the UK. So, yeah. Anyways, right now, it's the 2nd of May. It's Monday right now. It's the start of week 45. I'll see you next Monday. So basically, like, at the end of week 45. So let's go.